Hello everyone, welcome to Lifestyle. Today I'm going to make French toast. So let's get started. To make this, first we need bread slices. Here I am using brown bread. You can use white bread also. I cut them diagonally. Now take a bowl and then I'm going to break 2 eggs. Then I'm going to use half cup of milk. Now I'm going to add 1.5 teaspoon of sugar. Now I'm going to add just a pinch of salt. Here salt enhances sweetness, so I add little bit of salt. Now mix them well and beat the egg. Now I'm going to add little amount of cinnamon powder or dalchini powder. Mix it well. Then turn on the gas and place the pan over the gas. Heat it over medium heat. Now I'm going to add butter. Now I'm going to dip bread slices into the egg mixture. Coat the egg mixture well. Now goes on the pan. Make all breads like this way. Cook them until both sides are golden brown. Cook all breads like this way. Now turn off the gas. Now time to serve it. Serve with honey. If you liked the video, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, do like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.